everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Espresso Machine Reviews. Number 5. Hamilton Beach, 40792. $15 Italian pump for excellent extraction. Patented slide and lock filter holder makes setup easy. Swiveling steam wand for steaming and frothing milk. Removable water reservoir and drip tray. Item weight, 9.37 pounds. Pressure pump for excellent extraction and rich creamer. Number 4. Espresso Essence. Create a barista-style coffee. Delivers up to 19 bars of pressure. Energy-efficient coffee machine. Ideal serving temperature in under 30 seconds. Automatically switches off the machine after 9 minutes. 3 milk frother is included. Number 3. DeLonghi EC680M.
Toffee latte, cafe mocha, espresso martini, caramel cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffee house drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
Semi-automatic 3-in-1 espresso maker, cappuccino maker and lip maker. 15-bar pump system brews rich tasting espresso coffee. One-touch control panel for drink selections. Item weight 10.37 pounds. Easy fill, removable water and milk reservoirs. Number 2. Gaggia Classic.
Make a shot when everything is just right. You know, when that crema just oozes into the cup. You take that sip and it's something that you've never tasted before. A lot going for it. Stainless steel housing, the 3-way solenoid valve, so you know when you knock out that puck it's dry. Commercial size and weight portafilter. A boiler that heats quickly with the highest watts to volume ratio in the industry. And then, you know, instead of putting the heating elements inside the boiler like most do, they wrap them around the outside for more even heat distribution, and that's really what it's all about. You know, frothing with a Panarello on, I mean, that's real easy. You know, then if you want to go a little further, you know, you can always get the latte art wand on there and really finesse that milk for, you know, latte art, if you're into that. If you're getting serious into espresso, but you know, you don't want to spend a lot of money. I mean, this thing has all the professional features to allow you to pull shots that are just as good as those coming off machines costing a ton more. The Gaggia Classic, it's a wonderful tool to start your journey.
Panarello, one frothing for cappuccinos. Perfect for both espresso beginners. The internal sleeve must be correctly installed. Providing easy filling and cleaning. Hassle-free 1-year warranty. Features a removable 72 ounces water reservoir. Number 1. Breville BES870XL.
The Barista Express from Breville takes just seconds from grinding to extraction. For the freshest espresso and luscious crema, let's see it in action. The built-in adjustable conical burr grinder with dose control ensures that you go from novice to expert in no time. The Barista Express, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
1600 watt thermocoil heating system. 15 bar Italian pump. Optimal espresso extraction temperature. Stainless steel conical burr grinder. Item weight 23 pounds. Newer model of the Breville BES870XL Barista Express.